Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. You must be an admin in Business Manager, and you need the client's business ID or page ID. Once confirmed, ask for the client email and decide whether you add them as a partner, employee, or admin because each role controls access levels. Make sure two-factor authentication is enabled if the client requires it. This prevents access delays. Next, open Business Settings and navigate to Accounts, Pages, or Business Assets to begin adding the client. Now you add the client. Go to Business Settings and choose People for individual invites or partners to link another business. Click Add, enter the client email, and select the appropriate role. Use granular permissions when assigning pages, add accounts, pixels, or catalogs so they get only what's necessary. Once you assign assets, send the invite and watch the pending status. If the client is another business manager, request their business ID and send a partner request instead of an individual invite. Finish by confirming the client accepted the invite and that assigned assets appear under Assigned Assets. This ensures access is active. Once done, verify Add Account Billing Settings, test pixel events, and confirm page roles to avoid campaign interruptions. Make sure to document who has what permission for audits. If something goes wrong, like a stuck invite, check spam folders, domain restrictions, or business manager partner limits. Then resend the request or contact the client to accept from their side.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.